Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, I'll show you how to disable JavaScript on the web browser on your PC. It's very simple and easy. Now let's start. First, open web browser on your PC. Then go to the top right corner and click on three bar menu. Then at the end, click on settings. Now go to left side and click on privacy and security. From here, click on Site and Shell settings. Now scroll down and under the Content tab, you can find JavaScript. Now click on this. From here, you can see two options. One is site can use JavaScript and another is don't allow sites to use JavaScript. To disable JavaScript, select this option. Don't allow sites to use JavaScript. That's it for now. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you enjoy this, please like this and also as well as subscribe our channel for more interesting tech video like this. Thank you.